Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I do a lot of makeup related videos, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're into that. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this look using the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA, and his brand is Lunar Beauty. I thought it would be fun to create this look for you guys for Easter that's coming up. I did this little tutorial for you guys so you guys can follow and create this look. Also, don't mind my breakout, it's just like I've been stressing, so don't come for me. Now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and using the Jeffree Star sponge. This is a small one. Now I'm gonna line up my brows. This is from the Morphe Set 600. I'm gonna go in with the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. For size reference, this is how big it is. I mean, I have a small head, but the palette's really big. If you haven't seen this palette, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use the colorful side for today. First, I'm gonna use the Morphe M330. I'm going into Kai Kai. They're really pigmented. With the same brush, I'm going into Pageant Queen. I'm gonna blend it right in the middle. I'm gonna switch over to the Morphe M433. I want each color to pop, so I want to specifically target the pink here. With the M433, we're gonna go into Snatched. I'm gonna blend it out with the Morphe M330. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with the ColourPop. I'm switching over to the e.l.f. concealer brush just because I want to get those lines as perfect as I can, even though I just fucked it up. With the Morphe M156, I'm gonna go into Campy. I'm gonna wet the brush with the Mario Badescu green spray. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Creations glitter in Aqua. I'm gonna use the Duo Lash Glue to keep it on my eye. I'm gonna keep using the e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm gonna apply the glitter to the lines right here where I made the cut for like a broken egg. Using the JS7, I'm gonna use this side. This is the Hello Kitty collection in Mimi. Actually, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer brush. So this is it for my Easter egg side. Now I'm gonna get started on my chick eye. For this side, I'm gonna use the Morphe M505. I'm gonna go into Fishy. Same brush, I'm going into Fishy. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with this Morphe brush from the set 600 and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in light 16. With the M156, I'm going into Campy. I'm not gonna put it on the whole lid, but on the center. To create the eyes of the chick, I'm gonna use the City Colors Extreme Bold Liquid Eyeliner in the color Black. Now I'm gonna create the beak with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Mama. I'm gonna use this eyeliner brush from the Morphe 600 set. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face and we'll be right back. For lashes, I'm going in with Cocoa Lashes in the style Queen Bee. Quickly, I'm gonna go in with the Just My Luck palette and put green under my eyes. Go into Act Natural. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so please help me get there by sharing the video. And once I get to 100, I am gonna do a mini giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I'll leave it here down below. It'll be EmilyS3R. So you guys could keep up with looks that maybe I don't film. Thank you.